Right.
Now?
Yeah.
Hey, what's going on? So we're driving this BMW X5. You might recognize me from on my block. You know what I mean? We're just testing out. Oh, we're shifting gears. Oh, we're in sport mode?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, nice! Okay, I was wondering why I didn't shift. Okay, so here we go. You going? I'm gonna do the stop and look. Stop it.
It's Brian O'Connor.
I believe we are fine. And we've got it up to 60. He has shutters at 60, 65. Anytime you try to pass anybody. Oh, mother. I used to be a getaway driver when I was a kid. This is nice. It's perfect. 60. Got it up to 70. No jerking, no pulling, no pulsation, no limp mode, and we're finished.